Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. This is the 6-cylinder turbocharged, fabulous color. Love the black metallic. Let me see, can you see that beautiful black metallic? What a great color outside in the sunshine. It's got lots of room in the back here, a nice blind to hide your shopping when you go shopping, illuminated there so that you can see what your shopping is. Underneath here is a spare tire, ready to go, full-size spare. Front tow hook is in there as well. Nice little places to hang your grocery bags, and power outlet there. More places to hang your grocery bags so that it doesn't fly all over in the back. It's got a power tailgate, just push the button and it closes nicely. It's got a built-in spoiler, rear wiper washer, and rear defroster all as part of it. Beautiful dual exhaust and that distinctive Range Rover back end. Looks awesome. So it's the HSE Sport. It's got the beautiful wheels with Michelin tires, painted calipers, painted rotors, just looking stunning. In the back, you've got the full rubber mats all the way across, the proper ones with the Range Rover insignia in them. You've got a fold-down armrest and a nice little organizer there as well. I mean, this is the lap of luxury here to sit in the back or in the front. It is outstanding. It has rear heated seats right there and, of course, air conditioning for the back. Power outlet down there, nice little mat pockets in there with cargo netting, and then cup holders in the doors right there. Beautifully designed, lots of speakers. The stereo is awesome. Just a great vehicle. Here's the front. The passenger seat has a multitude of adjustments there, lumbar, side bolster, etc., so that you can get totally comfortable in it. It is just a pristine vehicle. You can see inside the door frames there, and in the glove box here are the wheel locks, and there's your books so that you'll be able to learn how to work all the little buttons on it. Speakers nicely built into the doors. The big speaker, the medium speaker, and the tweeter speaker all set up there, beautiful. And then you've got memory seating for your passenger as well. Oh wait, have a look at this sunroof, ginormous. Look at the size of that. Full panoramic sunroof, beautiful. Again, black, black, and black. It's a beautiful color, it looks awesome. So here's your other front rim, no curb rash, no issues, just beautiful Michelin tires. Under the hood is that 6-cylinder turbocharged engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Pushes this thing around beautifully. You can see that it's got the electronic shock, so it's got the air ride suspension. This thing is just like floating on a cloud. It is incredible to ride or to drive. Close the hood and we'll see that there is a little stone chip. Can you see it? It's a pretty tiny stone chip, but it's there. Maybe another stone chip on the front. I don't see anything particularly. It's got front sensors, front headlamp washers. Love the chrome accents, and then the brushed aluminum accents on the front. That's just beautiful. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, Michelin tires, lots of tread, lots of brakes, just an outstanding vehicle to drive. And again, the back wheel, same news. Awesome. In the back seat again, lots of room. The seats are easy enough to fold down. Just pull the button and it folds down into a load flat floor. I won't put it all the way down because it's just the headrest is in the way there. Airbags on the side. Again, beautiful design, great color. See the little definitions in the color there, in the gray and the black, beautiful. Up here on the front, you've got a driver memory package right there, power locks and your power windows and power mirrors also. Here is your driver multi-function adjustments for the seat, side bolster, lumbar, etc. Awesome. Again, nice Range Rover floor mats. Let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Push button start, starts up easily and beautifully. 42,882 kilometers. Wow, low kilometers, great sound system, and factory nav right there. So let's hit the nav button. So see the map. You've also got heated and cooled seats. So let's go over here and this is the cruise control and the heated steering wheel, very easy to operate. Over here is your telephone and stereo, and these buttons here operate up above there so that you can change and have different things showing up there. So on our menu, we've got all these different features to work with. Okay, So driving features, auto high beam, I love that, that's awesome. You can see that it's on right now. Over here is our navigation all set up, and on that same screen we have the heated seats and cooled seats, so you have your choice. Then you can choose what zone on the seat to heat or to cool, right, by pushing that button there. So then we'll go back to the nav screen, and you've got that all set up. Of course, you've got Bluetooth stereo, etc., etc. Underneath here then, you've got dual cup holders and a power outlet. Over here, we've got the suspension system set up, and then our drive mode set up, and our automatic transmission, which also has, so if I put this into drive, then I can slap that over into sport, and in sport, I can manually adjust the gears as you see I'm doing there, okay? So, a nice little system to drive there. Let me put it back in there because, of course, when we had it in drive, it was showing me up above there parking sensors. Pretty awesome. Okay, so put it back into park. Down here you've got your dual zone automatic air conditioning, easy enough to operate. You've got a heated windshield, which you see this button right here, and then your heated rear defroster as well. Underneath in the glove box here we have a USB auxiliary line in for our tunes, and then of course we have a fridge right there. So a nice little fridge, put your stuff in there, keep the baby's formula cold, whatever, it's all set right there. Beautifully designed. Up above here are the features for the sunroof, so I've got it open just to vent right now, and then it opens beautifully. As you can see, the wind deflector comes up exactly as it should. We'll close that up, and then I will show you the blind. So the blind, oh, one more to close that, and then hit that, and you'll see the blind coming, which protects you from the heat of the sun in the summer and the cold of the winter, with a little extra added insulation. And it is see-through, so you can still let light in. Nice features. That's your button for your glove box up there, and this is your button for your start. Really nice, symmetrically designed. Beautiful. Up here is your garage door opener on your mirror, and rain sense wipers, and again that automatic high beam. Love that feature. So power, tilt, and telescopic right here. So on this side, I'm just trying to figure out which hand I can use to use it. There it is, power, tilt, and telescopic. Beautiful. Have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. Beautiful truck. That is amazing. So let's go up to the front where we can see we use a multitude of different kinds of LED lighting. So little LEDs around there, and then down at the bottom, and then the big HID headlamps there. Beautiful design. Very distinctive coming down the road. Good looking truck. From the back again with that dual exhaust, it looks really amazing. The distinctive Range Rover look. I want to point out that there's a couple of dents, just little door dents. I don't know if you can even see it. There's a little dent there and a little dent over here. Nothing major, just stuff happens. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2014 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE with the fridge in it. Panoramic sunroof, navigation, all the goodies, heated and cooled seats, 40K, here and available at MOONROOF.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.